to know why his name is Advaita Acharya. Advaita means no Dvaita. Advaita means there is no difference between him and God. So his Advaita means no difference. This is himself Vishnu Tattva. Acharya means Achar karen keho na karen prachar. প্রচার করেন কেহ না করেন আচার আচার প্রচার নামের করহ দুই কার্য তুমি সর্বগুরু তুমি জগতের আর্য Some people in this world, they only doing practice but never preach. Some are only preaching, they never practicing. But who is Acharya, who is practice himself and preaching, and he is the topmost.